So being able to write Ionic equations is a really important skill to have. To be able to do this confidently, you've got to be happy with formulae and charges on ions. So the way to do this is an Ionic equation takes out the things that don't do anything. So does we know what we call these ions that don't get involved? Yeah, spectator ions. They don't get involved, they're just hanging around looking at what's going on. So anything that's in aqueous solution you can think is separated into its component ions. So I can break copper sulfate up into Cu2 plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus aqueous ions. What about zinc? Zinc is a solid. Can I do anything with zinc at all? If it's a solid, you've got to keep him as he is. So zinc, solid. Zinc sulfate aqueous is separated into his component ions of Zn2 plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus aqueous. And the final one is copper, and he is as a solid. And then the fun bit comes that you just cross out the ions that haven't got involved. So has copper changed? He's gone from copper 2 plus to copper solid. Yep, he's changed. Has sulfate changed?
No.
So I can cross him out. But zinc has changed. He's gone from Zn solid to Zn2 plus. So my final Ionic equation is Cu2 plus aqueous plus Zn solid goes to Zn2 plus aqueous plus copper solid, like so. So let's do the first one. If I break this up, I've got magnesium solid. I can't break up solids. HCl is aqueous, so HCl is made up of H plus ions and Cl minus ions. So that becomes 2H plus aqueous plus 2 Cl minus aqueous. That goes to magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride is made up of Mg2 plus ions and 2 Cl minus ions. So that becomes Mg2 plus aqueous plus 2 Cl minus aqueous. And you can't do anything about your hydrogen because that's a gas. Let's have a look at that. What can I get rid of? Well, I can get rid of him and him. And my final equation, therefore, is Mg solid plus 2H plus aqueous goes to Mg2 plus aqueous plus H2 gas, like so. Let's do the second one. Hopefully when you get a little bit quicker with these, this guy you can split up, so that becomes Na plus aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous plus Ag plus aqueous plus NO3 minus aqueous goes to AgCl solid plus Na plus aqueous plus NO3 minus aqueous. If you look at what changes, Na plus stays, doesn't do anything, chloride does, silver does, nitrate doesn't do anything. So you're left with Cl minus aqueous plus Ag plus aqueous goes to AgCl solid, like so. This is where you're getting the formulae right is really important. Sulfuric acid is made up of 2H plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus aqueous. Sodium carbonate is made up of 2 sodium ions plus a carbonate ion. Sodium sulfate 2Na plus aqueous plus SO4 2 minus aqueous. And then my carbon dioxide is a gas, so I can't do anything about him. My water is a liquid, so he stays the same. If you do a little bit of cancelling, Sodium doesn't do anything. Sulfate doesn't do anything. So you're left with 2H plus aqueous plus my carbonate ion goes to H2O